Let's imagine that we have to calculate the density of a block in grams per centimetre cubed. In order to calculate density, then we need the formula, which is density in grams per centimetre cubed equals mass. Now, as the density is in grams per centimetre cubed, then the mass also needs to be in grams divided by volume. Again, we look to the unit of density and we see that unit is grams per centimetre cubed, so our volume must be in centimetres cubed. So that means that if we're given the height, the length and the depth in anything other than centimetres, we need to change that. So say we're given the height in 17 millimetres, then we would need to change that to 1.7 centimetres by dividing by 10. If we have the length, say, as 34 millimetres, then we need to change that to 3.4 centimetres because there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre, and the depth, well, it's a square, so that's 17 millimetres, which is 1.7 centimetres. So now that we have all three converted into the units that I'm interested in, now we can calculate the volume. So volume is all three dimensions multiplied, so height times length times depth, which would be 1.7 times 3.4 times 1.7, which you'll have to use a calculator to work out. And the answer to that is 9.826, and I won't forget my units as centimetres cubed because I've multiplied centimetres by each other 3 times. Centimetres times centimetres times centimetres, centimetres cubed. Now, if our mass of our block happens to be, say, 4.9 grams, then we can start to work out our density. So density is mass over volume, so 4.9 divided by 9.826. And again, I'll use my calculator, and I find that it's a big long number, 0.498576979. I'm not going to write all of that down, so I look at my calculator and I round to 2 decimal places so that I have 0.50 grams per centimetres cubed. And there's my final answer.